In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Calendar tasks with others. This can be incredibly useful for managing projects, coordinating with team members, or simply keeping your friends and family in the loop about your schedule. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Google Calendar website. You can easily find it by doing a quick search in your web browser or by typing in the URL if you have it bookmarked. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the calendar layout if you haven't already. You'll notice the dates displayed, and this is where you'll start setting up your tasks. Next, decide on the specific dates for which you'd like to create a task. Click directly on the date on your calendar. This will open up a window prompting you to add event details. But in our case, we're focusing on tasks. In the event details window, look for the option labeled task and click on it. Now, you'll have the opportunity to name your task. This description will be crucial as it will give your collaborators a clear idea of what needs to be done. Be detailed and specific to ensure that everyone involved understands the task immediately. After you've named the task, go ahead and click Save. Your task is now stored in your Google Calendar and will proceed to making it shareable. To share your task with others, there's a fantastic tool called Tasksboard. Visit their website and log in using your email. This platform syncs seamlessly with your Google account, pulling in your calendar tasks in real time. Once you are logged into Tasksboard, give it a moment. Your new task list will appear. When you see your tasks populate on Tasksboard, notice the three dots situated next to your list. Click on them and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options available, select Share List. This will generate a link that you can use to share your task list with others. The final step is straightforward. Simply click on Copy Link. You can now share this link with anyone you wish, be it colleagues, friends, or family. They will have immediate access to the tasks you've created, all in real time. And there you have it, an easy and effective way to share Google Calendar tasks with others. Whether you're looking to improve team efficiency or just keep everyone informed, this method ensures that you stay organized and connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.